So listen, I'm going to give you the fastest way to make $1 million. And I'm not going to BS you. And let me tell you something, it's not to start a business, and it's not to read more books, and it's not to drive to seminars and listen to personal development and listen to people on TikTok, on the internet that's going to tell you how to make money. Listen, and this saved me a few years, and it kind of screwed me up because it took me a very long time to understand this one thing that I needed to do. So now, as an older man, I do this, and now I'm going to give it to you here. Listen, it's this. You can't consume more information until you delete the information that made you. Okay? Like, the person that you are right now comes from the beliefs that are in your mind. You agree? That's who you are. Whoever you are is a collective of thoughts that are in your head and beliefs, which means is you're spending too much time outside of yourself. How do I do this? How do I make money? Forex, webinars, internet marketing, a business, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. No. Okay. That's where you're losing the race. All you need to do, once you truly understand this concept of deletion deeply, deletion means that you have to delete what made you so you can begin to install what will recreate you. Okay. You have to be recreated. You got to be a new person. To be a new person, you have to format the hard drive, call your brain, big head. And until you do that, okay, come here. Until you delete and format those old beliefs, until you delete those old beliefs from your mind, it doesn't matter how hard you work. It doesn't matter routine and rituals and what time you get up and you're grinding. Doesn't matter. And it doesn't even matter if you believe in yourself. Doesn't matter. Until you delete all the information, the negative limiting beliefs that has been in your mind for the past 20, 30, 40 years, your life will always be what it is. Okay? It will always be the same. Now, you may say, well, Wesley, how do I delete my brain, my mind? You know, how do I format it quickly? Play the script tonight. Okay? This is what I use. I'm a multimillionaire, but that's not important. What's important is the man that I became. It's not the money, because you have to become the man or the woman first before you will ever attract money. Okay. I play a script. I've been playing it for the last 15 years for myself. And now I share it with the world, such as you, big head. Play the script tonight. Doesn't take any effort. If you have a thumb or a finger and you can click play, click down, it works. Play it as you sleep, and you'll realize everything that you've ever wanted was always in front of you. Lego.